how to set up and edit Shopify store footer. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step of setting up your footer section from scratch, and they will cover you everything from adding important links and social media icons like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, to incorporating content information and even custom content that resonate with your audience. So make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will have a stunning and functional footer that looks great and also help and guide your customers take action. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then guys go directly on your Shopify store, then hit on online store, then I will show you step by step with the same process how to easily edit your footer section on Shopify store. Then guys, I prefer to choose the down chain because it's very easy to use even you are a beginner. Then go to hit on customize. As you see guys, this is my Shopify store. Just scroll to the bottom until you get your footer section. Then guys, scroll to the bottom, then this is the footer section, the left side. As you see guys, there is nothing on my footer section. Just I will make sure to take all these simple steps so you can easily edit and make a footer section and professional footer section. Then guys, first guys, hit on footer section, then go and select which scheme that you want. For example, hit on change and select which scheme, for example this one or this one, or you can just select the first one and edit your scheme. For example, add the background color or use the background gradient color. Then for example the gradient color, for example which one I prefer, this one guys. Then choose the gradient color. As you see guys, your footer section with the gradient color looks better than before. Then guys, go to text section, make sure to make it a block and hit on block. Then solid bottom background also black, outline bottom black. As you see guys, go and if you want to add some colors, just select for example the text and edit the color. Then guys, go back. Then guys, go to email sign up. Then first guys, this is sign up for our email. First you need to show email sign up. As you see guys, when you select email sign up, it will appear automatically on your footer section. Then guys, for example, if you want to remove and edit this sign up for our email, you can easily just select and tap everything you want, or you can easily hit on generate on the top, then rephrase, then it will give you some example for the sign up for email update. For example, subscribe to email newsletter or register for our email alert, for example like this. Then hit and select and blood, for example like this guys. Then if you want to change the font title, just go and hit on theme section and go to typography. Then guys, you can easily change and select which font that you want. Then guys, go back and scroll to follow on shop, then enable follow on shop for example first, then scroll to social media icons. Then guys, if you want to enable and appear your social media icons, just go and hit on theme settings, and you need first to add your social media first and scroll to social media. Then guys, for example, add your Facebook link for example. Then go back and you need to enable social media icons. Then hit on enable social media and select, then automatically it will appear every social media that you have added on your footer section. It will added and enabled automatically. Then go and country region selector, then enable the country region. Then as you see guys, it will appear also automatically, and you can easily select for example United States, and then automatically the currency and the Shopify currency, it will update automatically. Then guys, go to payment method. Then guys, you can easily show payment icons, for example MasterCard, Visa card and everything. As you see guys, PayPal, everything will appear. Then guys, scroll to top margin, make sure to make it 0 pixel, then automatically the top margin it will decrease. Then also the section paid in, top paid in, decrease it to 36 for example. Also bottom to 24 to 30. Then guys, as you see guys, your footer section looks now more better than before. Then guys, go to edit to scheme section, then edit the text guys, make it the outline button, for example like this. Then guys, go to solid button label, for example. Then guys, after editing your footer section, then hit on save on the top. Now guys, your footer section was created with the easy, simple and easy method. Then guys, with the mobile version, it looks more better. As you see guys, your footer section on your mobile version looks good, and you can easily change the color if you want, or edit everything on this footer section without any paid version application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.